What is new media to you?
New media for me was definitely a challenge, and I really like that, and the fact that I was able to get advice from professors who work day to day.
I think to me new media is a collection of different skills you can learn and master.
And learning like all the tasks and skills to like prepare yourself for college.
It's basically a bunch of programs having to do with Adobe and Photoshop and design.
You learn like graphics design and photography and videography. It's a different kind of art that's not really explored entirely yet, so there's so many different things to do. You can really do whatever you want.
The New Media program offers students the opportunity to earn up to 32 college credits as well as Adobe certifications while still completing high school. With programs available on the Wilton and Queensbury campuses, students are able to take both college and CTE courses taught in cutting-edge design facilities. Students are provided all the technology tools that are necessary throughout this program that will help them to be both successful inside and outside of the classroom. Throughout the program, students can receive up to 4 industry-recognized Adobe certificates. Students are provided the opportunity to work with local clients and businesses on real-world projects, as well as building a strong portfolio to exit the program. Throughout this program, students will take college courses such as Freshman Seminar, Graphic Arts 1 and 2, Introduction to Photography, Digital Video Editing, Web Design, Digital Pre-Press, Mass Communications, Advanced Media Workshops, Introduction to College Writing, Advanced Client Design Workshop, and Portfolio Development. Students will also have classes in Career Technical Education, which covers things such as life skills, design theory, project development, career options, critique skills, communication, critical thinking, industry-based research, college advancement, and certification preparation. All students can earn media arts certificates upon completion, as well as an outstanding portfolio and Adobe certifications, providing them strong opportunities for their future. Whether they want to continue to SUNY Adirondack and earn an associate's degree in just 1 year, or transfer to other universities and even get out in the world and be employable. What interested you in the ECCA New Media program?
I chose this program to have a college experience while still in high school.
I joined the New Media program because you can earn up to 32 college credits and you can meet new people from different schools.
Gave us all the equipment we needed. It gave us, we just came to college with something new. I was interested in that.
I joined New Media because I thought it was going to be a cool experience, and it was.
What were some of your favorite things you've learned this year or look forward to learning in the program?
I think one of my favorite things that I've learned so far has been basic animation.
I enjoyed learning digital painting, as it was a lot quicker than working with traditional vector graphics.
I really liked graphic design in general.
Some of my favorite things that I've learned is probably like video editing and graphic design, because there's something that I've never really done before.
What are you hoping to do after completing this program?
After I finish this program, I think I'm going to transfer to a 4-year school and pursue a degree in communications with a focus in digital media.
After I'm done with the program, I just want to head into the workforce right away. I think with the skills that I have gained throughout the program, I am ready to just jump into work and build a strong portfolio.
Possibly become a movie producer and maybe a director at some point in my life.
I'm going to finish my associate's degree at SUNY Adirondack after the New Media program, and then I'm going to continue on with a 4-year degree in Europe to study design.
This is New Media.
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 This is our future.